She's healthy, a beautiful little blessing. Thank you, Lord, for this miracle. Beautiful little blessing. Thank you, Lord, for this miracle.
From today, our family is complete.
Sleep now, my tiny Grace, safe in our warm embrace. She looks like an angel.
She is our little blessing.
Welcome home, our little Grace. Welcome home, our little Grace. We will raise her with love, kindness, and faith.
She will grow with compassion and joy.
Every life is a miracle. Love, faith, and kindness make a family complete.